Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm just gonna go slowly through this video I played of Praise the Name of Jesus. So we're in the key of F, and I started with that's basically it. So I just used it for praise the name of Jesus. So I used it to lead into it. Praise. Alright, so let's go straight into it. Praise. So we're thinking about praise. So while I'm playing this, all I'm really thinking about is the melody note. A lot of people play chords and think about the melody note after. I'm showing you guys. Your playing will change when you start to think about the melody note first and then build your chords around the melody note. So that's what created this video. These chords I played in the video, the melody note. So I praise the so I play this, praise the, so that's the voicing I played. And pretty much this chord, you could play it this way. Yeah, I really need to get this key sorted out. Going bad, man. So you could play that. Praise the, and that's over the 3. You could even use praise the. Could use that. So I'm just forming the chord. I thought about this note and I was thinking about what I could use. Could praise the, could that praise the, could praise the name, praise the name of, so praise the, so there's so many things you could do. But the key thing is to think about the melody note. Let's continue. Name, praise the name. So I play that. Praise the. So instead of going to the 6, not 6. Instead of going to the 6, we could play praise the name. So we could go to the 4. Praise the name. We could go to the 5. So praise the name. Alright, so I went to off, name, off. So this is a chord over the 1. So you could use that. So how we could modify this chord? We could do that, could move a note here. You could experiment, move a note up, see how that sounds. Could try that.